In this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can change a MacBook wallpaper lock screen just in few minutes. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Let's get started. So what you need to do, just go to your MacBook home page like this, and with 2 fingers, click on your touchpad like this, okay? And click on change desktop background, okay? And it's gonna take you to this page over here, okay? Click over here on screen saver, okay, like this. And what you need to do, if you want to show screen saver after 5 minutes, you can also control the time from here: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay? I'm gonna leave it in 5 minutes. And you have a different wallpaper screen, okay, as you can see over here. So let's check this one. So just click on your wallpaper screen that you want to use, and here you go, okay, like this. And you can choose any wallpaper screen that you want, okay? There is a lot here, different wallpaper lock screen. As you can see, we have this one, classic. Let's check this one. And you have also here pictures. As you can see, you can click over here on preview and you can see how it looks like, okay? Let's see, for example, this one. Click on preview. As you can see, you can also, if you want to also show with clock, you can select this, okay? Select this option over here, show with clock, okay? Let's see different, okay, let me see. Let's check this one. Okay, let me check different one. Let's check this one. As you can see, okay? So that's how you can change MacBook wallpaper lock screen just in few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. So you just need to select which wallpaper lock screen you like to use, and that's it, okay? So you will just need to click on the lock screen wallpaper and it will be selected, okay? So you have different here, and that's it, okay? So see you in my next video.